Kwenziswa yini ukuthi abantu base-Europe nabo they are fighting immigration, but thina se-South Africa kuthiwa yithi esi-xenophobic? You know why thina kuthiwa we are xenophobic? Ingenxa yokuthi lento eyenzakalayo akumelanga biyenzakala. Mangabe ubuka lama video lawa yini into oyibonayo? Ubona amadoda. Ubona amadoda wodwa elwela izwe labo. Understand phela ukuthi uyabona lento leyo bandlulo nkathi iqala baqhamuka neplani. Le plan labaqhamuka nayo kwabo ukuthi umuntu omnyama umuntu wesifazane angamthembi umuntu omnyama umuntu wesilisa. And the way abayenza lento leno kwabo ukuthi bathathe the strongest man bamfake in a hole. Bamshiye lapho in that hole lo muntu omnyama for weeks on end. And then when they are done, bamkhiphe from that hole, bamshaye, bambuyisele phakathi over and over again. Kwathi beqedile ukwenza lokho, bahamba olanda unkosikazi wakhe. When belanda unkosikazi wakhe, bamfaka naye in that same hole. Cycle efanayo, bamfaka in the hole, bamkhiphe, bamshaye, bamfake phakathi futhi bamkhiphe, bamshaye. But the difference this time was the fact that mangabe beshaya umuntu wesifazane, babemshaya phambi komuntu wesilisa, umnyeni wakhe. Manje kwenzakalani la? Lo mnyeni kade in and out of this hole, out of isolation, i-abuse, eshower over and over again. Ingqondo yakhe ayisasebenzi. So benza njani? When beshaya unkosikazi wakhe phambi komnyeni wakhe, what happens there? Lo muntu wesilisa akamsiza unkosikazi wakhe because ingqondo yakhe ayisasebenzi. Umuntu wesifazane abone ukuthi akakwazi ukuthi amthembe umuntu wesilisa omnyama ngoba akakwazi ukumsiza. And lo muntu wesifazane had to face the pain yedwa. This thing ihambe nathi as abantu abamnyama generation after generation after generation. Ungaze usho futhi ukuthi it is a stronghold esinayo. Namhlanje we even deal with that la khona abantu besifazane abamthemba umuntu omnyama umuntu wesilisa. And this is because lento iqhamuka kudala. Uyabona njengamanje with all of this that is happening, lamadoda lawa that are fighting immigration ophakela umthakathi ongizwe bagqoke traditional attires abesuthu baqhamuka nabafuna ukujoina konke lokho kwenzakalayo, and ama camera khona videoizing them, letting the whole world see. Bakhombisana nangu umuntu omnyama elwela umuntu wesifazane nezingane zakhe for ikusasa labo. That is why thina we are called xenophobic, because bafuna njani? Bafuna ukuthi sivele sisabe sithi I don't want to be part of this anymore. Bese ke sishiya phansi. And then if kwamadoda that have been leading, that have been part of yonke lonto, if la madoda eshiya phansi kwenzakalani? Umuntu wesifazane uzothi nanga ke nampa beshiya phansi again bengenzi lutho. In some way mangabe kuukuthi umuntu that sees things spiritually, lento leyenzakalayo eNingizimu Africa, it is breaking generational strongholds. Angithanda ukuthi kes, it is breaking generational strongholds. It is breaking it psychologically. Ukhombisa nansi indoda emnyama ingilwela ngomuntu wesifazane, nayi ilwela ikusasa lezingane zami, nayi ilwela ikusasa lami. Iyayishintsha lento. That is why thina sibizwa ngama-xenophobia. But laba abaphesheya bona kuthiwa hayi, they are fighting for their rights. But thina singulukudu. Thina we are rebellious. Wonke lamagama, wonke lama stigma, we are gangsters, we are criminals. Ucabanga kanjani?
We go nowhere.
Members from the cabinet, we're saying take them back. Take them to insecurity nation.
Yes.
428.
In Parliament, you asked them to take us back. Where are you taking us back to? You are taking us back to Africa, where you are the people supporting our bad leaders. You don't have right to take us back. Before taking us back, you have to stop our bad leaders from coming to your place.
They're saying take them back to insecurity country. They say take them back.
Take them back.
Take them back.
It's not possible. We go nowhere. We are your property. We go nowhere Because you people are the one funding our politicians to do nonsense in Africa. Our leaders are terrorists. We go nowhere. We go nowhere. Nigeria go nowhere.
Tinubu must go. Tinubu must go. Tinubu must go. Bad government must go. Tinubu must go. Bad government must go. Tinubu must go.
We cannot keep being host to refugees for which later on we are held accountable in some way or even abused about. Refugees as a result of ethnic cleansing based in another country, and we must be the dumping ground of those people who are being deprived of their rights. We have had refugees here for over 20 years from DRC of one type of people. This is not Rwanda's problem. And we are going to ensure that everybody realizes that it is not Rwanda's problem. And starting with saying, those who think it is Rwanda's problem and not Congo's, first of all, remove these Congolese from here. Those who are coming in every day just on the actions of government and institutions, you will tell me government is not functioning properly or this, or that's still none of my business. If it is to be my business, it is yours also, meaning the international community. These are the ones I'm addressing. It is as much your problem as it is mine. But I'm refusing that Rwanda should carry this burden and be insulted and abused every day about it.
Wow. Europe says, take them back. Take them back. Take your people back. And Nigerians are refusing. They say, where are you taking us? Back to Africa? Guys, AmaNigeria awayithandi indawo yawo. AmaNigeria ayizonda country yawo. Awafuni kwela kubo. Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda, says, your failing government is not my problem. Your corrupt politicians is not my problem. But all of these people are not called xenophobic. Bagwethu, South Africa has paid all the debts. South Africa seyibhadele itikweletayo. Most countries now banemisebenzi because of South Africa. South Africa has helped a lot of African countries. Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Namibia, Zambia, everywhere you go, you'll see South African companies helping those African countries. Those citizens are working because of South Africa, contributing to their tax. As bantu baseMzansi, we also cry ukuthi nathi sinama corrupt leaders. So kumthwalo wethu kanjani nathi sinama corrupt leaders? Because if your governments are corrupt, you need to fight as you see South Africans are also fighting. Kuti ama government wenu are mismanaging finances is not umthwalo with South Africa. South Africans are not xenophobic, but South Africans are asking that you must respect their laws. Come to South Africa in a correct channels, correct papers, proper permits. That's all they're asking. Respect us as South Africans as you will respect your countries. I've seen even those Ghanaians who were repatriated from South Africa. They are crying to come back to South Africa. But when they hear in South Africa, they fail to respect South Africans and their laws. The situation which their countries are is because of their failure to respect laws. It's a result of failing to respect law. So as South Africans, we won't allow that. Here in South Africa, you behave or else you jump. That's it. Danko.